Hello out there to you. In this quick problem, we're going to calculate the change in coffee sales using the income elasticity. So income elasticity is a formula. I've already written it out here in my awesome handwriting. Income elasticity is the percent change in quantity demanded divided by the percent change in income. Okay, and that gives that to you. If it's positive, it's a normal good. If it's negative, it's a inferior good. So this problem says that they think their coffee is 1.6. So that is the income elasticity of demand. We predict that an increase in consumer income will happen by 4% in the next year. Okay, so we're going to go plus 4, and this is a percent, so then this is a percent. I'm just going to write it as change to quantity, but it is, you know what, I'm going to write it all out. It's in a percent. So we're just going to algebraically multiply both sides by 4, and should do that in my head, but I'm not going to. It's 4 times 1.6, and we get 6.4, 6.4, and that's a percent. And that is the change in quantity demanded for Starbucks. That's what they can predict. They can predict to sell 6.4. So question would probably be what to do with our prices. Well, we should raise our prices of our coffee drinks a little bit since we sell normal goods. There you go. That's how to use income elasticity to predict the change in the quantity sold.